gonna fall. Get it, Harrison.
Okay. Well, they can get mange. I haven't heard that specifically, but they can get mange. But a lot of times it doesn't start on the tail. It usually starts, like on their back.
Oh,
Ears are
that's-
crusty and they start scratching a lot.
What do you think?
Does this seem to be scratching a lot? Okay.
Get it. Harrison. Get it. Hi, honey. Hi. How are you? No, I don't want you to land on it. Get that. Get that. It's in there. It's going into the... Get it. Oh, good boy.
Oh,
Oh.
it's gone.
It got away from you. Well, what are you going to do now?
Yeah, it's gone. Maybe.
What are you going to do now? We got to wait for it to fall out now. Yeah. What do you think?
Tasting like dirt.
When we went outside, a mourning dove, we startled a mourning dove and it nearly flew right into us. Huh. That was exciting. Where'd it go?
I can see the end of it
Yeah.
sticking out there. He's just gonna eat the fur just
It's right in there. I see it. Oh, it just hit again.
smart. Smart worm. We found
You got
part
it.
of though.
Good boy.
Well,
Good
It's sticking out
boy.
here.
yeah. Well, what I would say is you definitely take a look at them. If there's a way that you can capture them and bring them out to us, we can.
Oh,
totally
that's
Thank you
lovely.
for that.
Pieces of it.
be able to do. Now, since you're
Don't.
able to get so
There you go.
close to it, do you have like a cat carrier?
Now don't fling it at us. Oh,
Use this little piece that you
Okay.
so lovingly dropped in my hand. Did you even eat it or did they go
I think he
flying?
flung it.
Just in here?
Get it.
Okay. Now we generally close by 2:00, so it's about 20 after.
Just
12.
torturing this poor worm.
I know.
Yeah. What part of town do you live in?
Have you lost interest?
Okay. Have
Yeah,
you
it
been
doesn't-
close to us before?
It's
Doesn't
like,
taste
well, I've
like quail.
decided it doesn't taste good, so why do I want it?
Exactly. You go give that thing to Rudy, she'll eat it.
Get through, winter
Rudy.
gloves and things like that with no trouble at all. So just be really, really careful, and if you can avoid
boy.
handling it at all, that would be ideal. If you can,